this one?
This is probably, I would say, this came out like in the 30s, 1930.
1930.
Yeah, so this is probably 80, 90 years old.
Before Remington.
Before Remington, yes.
Before Remington, right?
Uh-huh.
This was the first or the second model of
the typewriter. Yeah, very good, very good.
You know, I did my high speed of typewriting.
Really?
And my father is a typist.
Really? Amazing.
He worked for the government like 30 years. So let me try.
Yeah, this is the only, this one is stuck. I just have to take like a screwdriver and put the rest of it keeps working, but this is just, this is tight.
This is known as cylinder drum, in other words, and this is a rotator. This is space liner for single space, double space, third space.
That's amazing.
And
this is
the that is ribbon roll, and that is a single colors, only black. Now we have multiple, like 3 colors, and we can open this one too. So what are the things missing? If you see, there's those days we have cents. The cents are missing these days. Okay, cents, half, quarter, and there's colon. This is like, you know, if without shift this is comma, with the shift this is the colon.
Oh yeah.
And the double colon, backspace, margin releaser.
Wow.
This is the shift lock, shift release, space bar.
Okay.
This is a double space for long space.
That's amazing. He knows everything about the typewriter. Wow.
That's mine.
Oh, this is your glasses?
Yes.
I thought I was going to wear my glasses.
So, thank you so much.
Okay, let me get the key. Which one you want?
And this is the Underwood noiseless typewriter. Wow.
This one's fine.
This one?
Okay, I'll get the keys for the other one.
I'll show you. No problem. 2 will be in the back. So you
The
can.
other one.
Okay.
And you can get that one.
Yeah, that's
Thank you,
good.
sir. You can talk a little bit about this typewriter. And
Okay, yeah, this is a very, very old vintage typewriter, probably about 80, 90 years old.
Thank you so much.
So really nice, yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day,
Okay.
my friend. Thank you so much.